Hey there, I'm Nanta Vijayan, a self-taught artist, freelance office pattern designer, and an online educator. If you have been thinking about what to draw next for this Christmas, I have a big idea for you, which you can get started drawing and painting today. Today we're going to learn about how to draw and paint Christmas jewels. And I'm not talking about simple Christmas jewels, but I'm talking about ornamental Christmas jewels. We will learn how to create objects from basic shapes. Also, we will take a look at how to find inspiration from Pinterest. We will also learn how to brain dump our ideas, find a color palette, and finally learn how to paint an ornamental Christmas jewel. This class is for anyone who is looking out for an inspiration to create a Christmas project. So if you're ready with your tools and supplies, join me on this class and let's start creating ornamental Christmas jewels.